Hey, this is Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support, and welcome to this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. Do you ever feel like your inbox and emails is just full of trash? Let's talk about 5 easy steps you can take to send more effective emails so people are more likely to read them. Step 1. All right, the first aspect of sending an email is focusing on one topic. We feel that we can send a ton of information to someone at one time because we want to cover more, but actually that is just very overwhelming to who you're sending this email to. So take a step back, focus, think of one thing, and send that one item to who you're sending it to. Step 2, Readable. Well, one thing you need to focus on is you're not writing a storybook or a paper for your English class, or you're not writing a quick short memo to where it leaves too vague of things. So you need to focus on finding a happy medium that fits both of them, but also remember you need to make it aesthetically pleasing to the eye that someone is actually enticed to want to read your message that you're sending them. Subject line. Now your subject line should only be 3 to 6 words maximum. It shouldn't be clickbait, and also it should be a quick summary of what you're about to tell the person. Step 4, action. Now, you always want to make sure whenever you send a message, you give that person an action of what to do next. Make it clear, make it concise. A good example of that would be, hey, what do you think about that meeting next week? Or let me know if you have any questions. Step 5, the final step, editing. Make sure you always blow away your mistakes. You must remember, any email you send represents you. So regardless of how busy you are, you need to take a quick second to read and edit what you're about to send someone. If you have any further questions about emailing or any computer questions in general at all, feel free to call Colorado Computer Support at any time. We're experts at what we do, and you can always reach us at 719-439-0599 or visit us on our website at www.coloradosupport.com. See you next week, and thank you so much for joining us for the Tuesday Tech Tip.